collected all the stuff I'm going to use in a folder called This PC Documents Blend Files VidEdit Tutorial. You might well find somewhere much better and much less untidy to put your stuff, but it's important to put all the stuff that you're going to edit together into a folder somewhere. So what have I got here? I've got 2 videos, I've got a PNG image, which is the title, so it's kind of crudely scrawled. It's kind of crudely scrawled, but the important thing is PNG images allow for transparency. So this light blue thing, it's transparent. If we put that over a video, you'll be able to see the video through it. Kind of useful, very good to use for titles. We've also got a sound, and we've got a series of 11 images that make up an animation. So each frame is a separate PNG file. So that's kind of useful. There's 11 of them, which is designed to be looped. So right now we're going to open up Blender, and the first thing we do, is it going to be to bring all of this stuff into Blender? Actually no. Again, click outside this box to carry on, and it looks kind of like how we left it, in fact. What we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go save as, and I'm going to save it. There you go, it's the same file. Where are all that stuff? I'm going to save it into this folder here. Right. The thing is, I happen to know I am in this folder here, but I can't see any of the things. But that's because this is set so I can only see Blender files and folders. If I click this funnel here, it allows me to see all various different file types, all the different file types. So I can do that, or I could click that on, and I could say, right, I want to see video files, so I select this video button. I'll also see image files. You get the idea. So that allows me to see that. There's also other buttons, things that you've probably seen before, like that one's useful. That allows me to see previews. We can sort them by name, by file type, by date, or by file size. I think normal, that allows you to select the size of the images. I'm going to go back to normal, that looks fine to me. But what was I doing? I was saving it, wasn't I? I was saving my Blender file. This is what I said, is the first thing you do is you save the Blender file in the same folder as everything else, and I've decided to call it edit. So I click edit and I click save as Blender file. And now we have these edit file has appeared here. Right, the reason I did this, now that that's in the same folder as everything else, we could move this entire project. So we could get that tutorial folder and we could copy it to a memory stick or another computer or external hard drive. And now that if everything that we're editing is in the same if everything we're using to edit is in the same folder as the Blender file, it means that Blender will be able to see them all. It will be able to see them all no matter where you move everything. So these folders are in a folder within that folder. That's fine. We can have folders within folders within folders, but like if we have something like here, if we have one video file out here that we're using, then, well, we're not going to, it's not going to be able to find it if you move this lot to another location. Remember how when I set Blender that / render 1, if I import a video to here, which I'm going to do using add movie, and I've got to find it again, haven't I? I will actually have to find it. So it's in Documents, Blender Files, VidEdit Tutorial. So if we add one of these video clips, then if we look down here, I think I'm going to drag this a bit wider so you can see it. The path is now / and then the file name, and that means it knows that it's in the same folder. Right, so that's how to arrange your folders. I mean, if you look at my file system, I'm hardly the right person to be telling you how to arrange files. But putting everything that you're going to use in the project, putting it all in one folder, highly recommended. Folders within that folders, organise it as much as you like, but put it all within the folder with the edit in. Right, I think I've explained that.